Hi there, my name is Olivia Mbabazi. I am the owner of Shirabo Organics and I'm the curator of this amazing shea butter called Pure Grace. Pure Grace is actually pure as its name. So if you're right now watching this video, it's because you have landed on the product and you're trying to buy it. So let me tell you a little bit about it. Pure Grace is formulated with just three ingredients, shea butter, Nilotica shea butter, which is different from everyday shea butters, cocoa butter, and aloe vera. Those are amazing products that you need for your skin. It is actually skin food for you, so it will help to replenish your skin with nutrients that help with cell generation. It will help dry skin, it will moisturize your skin, it will hydrate you, it will replace all the nutrients that your skin loses every day. It will cover you for sun care because it has natural SPF. Basically, this is skin food because it has no chemicals, it has no water in it, it has no alcohol. You can trust it as skin food. It is safe for you, it is safe for younger ones, it's safe for babies, it's safe for seniors because it has nothing like toxicity. I believe if you can't eat it, please don't put it on your skin. So Pure Grace will really give you a graceful skin and a natural glow. I can't wait for you to try it. Thank you so much for visiting our store today.